For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Ever since Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his apartment in Bandra, people have been speculating over whether it was a suicide or murder. Many of his fans were claiming that SSR's death was a murder and not suicide. Many even presented evidence to prove their point. Netizens pointed out details about Sushant's height, the cloth he used to hang himself, and even the mark around his neck and eyes as proof. In the latest, ex-RAW officer N.K. Sood has claimed that SSR's death is a murder. That's not all. What shocked people is the D connection. N.K. Sood claimed that it's underworld don Dawood Abraham's aide who planned and murdered Sushant Singh Rajput. N.K. Sood often posts videos on various issues on his YouTube channel, and this is his latest post. The ex-RAW officer titled the video, "Who Killed Sushant Singh Rajput?" In his 11-minute video, Sood has explained and presented many factors to justify his claim. In the beginning of the video, Sood revealed that SSR's apartment's CCTV cameras were turned off a day before his death. He also questioned why the Mumbai police confirmed the death as suicide, even though they did not find any suicide note at the spot. N.K. Sood also claimed that the actor was receiving many threat calls and that made him change about 50 SIM cards within a month's time. The ex-officer, through the video, claimed that the underworld was involved in this murder and SSR was killed by professionals. N.K. Sood claimed that it was not just Dawood and his aides who were involved. He claimed Pakistan's ISI agents were also a part of this planned murder. Sood claimed that Bollywood actors are in constant touch with these underworld dons and help them raise funds by performing in various events in foreign countries. In this video, he claimed that SSR's house help must be aware of SSR's situation and all the threat calls he received. N.K. Sood also questioned the statement that SSR's dog never reacted or barked the whole time. Sood claims that this would be possible only if the dog was taken away from the spot or if the murderers were known to it. Sood also suspected Sandeep Singh, who called himself the actor's friend. N.K. Sood claimed that Sandeep Singh always leaked all information about SSR to the underworld, including sharing all his numbers with them. Sood also listed Rhea Chakraborty's name under the suspect list. However, in the end of the video, Sood clarified that the names that he listed might not be directly involved, but they definitely were aware of SSR's situation. Ever since SSR died, fans and netizens have been trending several hashtags demanding CBI inquiry. Mumbai police have been investigating the case and have recorded statements from over 34 people so far. However, the reason behind the actor's death still hasn't been identified or revealed.